Welcome back to my channel. Today I am making milk toffee, made with only 3 ingredients. Are you ready? First I am preparing the pan with applying some butter on it. Better do this at first as you might not have enough time if you wait till last minute. Let's start. First I am adding 500 grams of sugar to the cooking pan. Then adding 200 grams of powdered milk and 125 milliliters of water. Now I am going to mix it for a few minutes. And look how it's turned into a consistent mixture. Now I am turning on the stove in low heat. Continue mixing. You cannot stop mixing until it's ready. Mixing going to take about in between 25 to 30 minutes in low heat. After 3 to 4 minutes of mixing I am adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla for the taste, and this is optional. And continue the mixing. Look how it start changing the color after about 15 minutes, and continue mixing till you get the thick mixture. After about 25 minutes it's in perfect consistency and it's going to look very thick. To measure the readiness, pour it using the spoon and it will pour like you see in the video. Now I am taking it out from the stove and mix it for about another 3 minutes. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Then immediately transfer the mixture into the pan which applied butter in the beginning. Now spread the mixture evenly in the pan and let it cool down for a couple of minutes. If you still watching the video and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Then apply some butter to the knife so it will be easier to cut. I am cutting it in medium pieces, but you can cut it however you like. Let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes and then separate the pieces. See how nice these milk toffee looks. Now you can taste this with your family and friends. Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.